here, and today we're reading this book. This book is called My Food, Your Food, Our Food by Emma Carlson Berne, illustrated by Sharon Sordo, and there's music by Mark Oblinger. So this book is all about food. Do you have a favorite food? Yeah, that sounds delicious. Let's find out some of the food that they talk about in our book today. Are you ready? Ooh, let's begin. Here we go. All over the world, people eat many different and wonderful foods. In Iceland, you might eat shark for dinner. Whoa. In Kenya, you might eat a cornmeal paste called ugali. In the southern United States, shrimp and grits might be on the menu. I love some shrimp and grits. Different foods make our world interesting, just as different people do. But no matter what they eat, people sit down and share meals, laughter, talk, and love with their families and friends. Let's read together about food and eating all around the world. The sun is up. It's time to eat. What shall we have, we say? Let's eat jelly spread on toast or fufu ball today. The foods we eat are different, east, west, north, or south. But we all need food to keep us strong. So open up your mouth. Everybody say, ah. Now pick up chopsticks or a spoon, or use your hands to eat. Put food in a bowl or a leaf. Come, pull up a seat. Oh, so many different ways to eat. The foods we eat are different, east, west, north, or south. But we all need food to keep us strong. So open up your mouth. Everybody say, ah, ah. Do you eat inside a house or do you eat outdoors? Do you sit upon a chair or maybe on the floor? The foods we eat are different, east, west, north, or south. But we all need food to keep us, that's right, strong. So open up your mouth. Everybody say, ah, ah. I'm hungry and it's dinner time. Let's have roast beef and peas, spoon lentils on injera bread, or curry on a leaf. Lots of different things to eat for dinner. The foods we eat are different, east, west, north, or south. But we all need food to keep us strong. So open up your mouth. Everybody say, ah. Very good. Oh, wow. Look at the back of this book here. They give us sheet music. Yeah. So did you notice how in our book we kept saying the same verse over and over? That's because this book can also be sung as a song. So if you end up buying this book or checking it out from the library, maybe you can figure out the rhythm to the book that we just read. How fun is that? What a wonderful book about all the different foods that friends eat all around the world. Thank you so much for joining me for story time today. I hope you have a great day and a yummy meal. See you later. Bye.